This is Gregory. He's like a genius, disarming a bomb.
What I did was the heater was broken. So they have these little reset switches on them.
Uh-huh.
Catch a close-up of that.
Huh?
It's a reset switch. Catch a close-up of that.
No.
Put it in your hand.
No,
It's a reset
just go. Come on.
And what they do is, you can't see me from there.
I can't. I'm filming you.
It's a reset switch, and what happens is these fail all the time. When the heater gets too hot, they fail.
Yeah.
So what I do is I remove it, get rid of it,
Okay.
and then I go straight to the source, which is here.
Yes.
Which is where it connects.
You go straight to the
And
source.
I'll strip the wires, and then I'll connect these two wires, bypassing the reset button, so that it's just straight power. So it's unadulterated power now.
That's my word.
It's not regulated by anything.
Okay, Gregory, come on.
So then I strip the wire, and then
Okay.
I connect them together, and I put a little collar on it. And it's just going to take me a minute, so you can just turn the thing off.
Nah.
Don't be something like, yeah. You act like you're doing something over there. Yeah, and actually, well, you're doing nothing.
I was listening to music, Gregory, and now I'm filming you. I'm going to put you on my YouTube channel.
Okay, go ahead. Turn it off now.
Nope.
Because I'll show you the finished product at the end of the film.
Did you sufficiently explain what you're doing for the YouTube tutorial?
Oh, no, it's not going to be YouTube tutorials.
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh,
contraire,
something more intricate than
contraire, mon frere.
Let's see, I just opened up the heater, and I bypassed the reset button. Now I'm going to connect these two wires, which is the positive wire. I should have on gloves, but I don't have them on.
Oh no,
So I'm going to connect these.
What's going to happen? Are you just going to blow up in your face? Or?
No, I'll just give you a little shock, a little bug. Give you a little bug, it's all good. 110 can't kill you.
Good.
220 will kill you.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Unfortunately,
That's scary.
I will be dying today.
Oh, thank goodness. Oh, Lord.
Then I take a little electrical tape. Secure the wire. So it doesn't, overheat.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, good. Whew. That was pretty scary shit. Okay, scary stuff. Okay.
Just stop taping.
Why can't I?
You want to see the finished product after I get it back together.
How long? And how long is this going to be, honey?
3 minutes. It's too long. You're taking too long.
You're taking too long.
Yeah, pause it. Until I get it back together.
Alright.
I have to take my... Twist the water. That's good. We'll stand the test of time. Now. No, not yet.
What? Not yet?
Not yet. No, you know what I mean? No.
You feel me? And we love you. And if you fix the fan or the heater, then all is good. And you get back to Ellie, and then she'll have a heater in her room.
Okay, now you can start filming.
Oh, okay, got it. Thank you. It's on. It's going.
I bypassed the reset button.
Now
I'm gonna put it back together.
Right. Okay. We all feel you.
Snap it back together. Put the screws in like so.
Put
screws in. Screw it. Okay. Put the screws in like so.
Screw it. What? You know what else you're gonna screw?
Yeah. You tonight. Hold on.
Stop it, Gregory. We have to put this on YouTube. Stop.
Oh, sorry about that.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry about all the YouTube fans out there. They aren't getting any. Okay.
Stop. Oh my God, stop it. Okay. I can't. Oh God. Okay. La 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 la. Okay, cool. I see what you're doing. This is really, really interesting. It's really interesting, Gregory.
Oh, yeah. So what it is,
Did you name what kind
of fan that my sister bought?
Yes, you did.
I took a fan that my sister bought that was broken, and she was gonna throw it out. And now I'm going to fix it.
Allow myself.
I'm gonna use it in the garage.
Yeah, you are.
Because now you have thrown out a perfectly good heater. And there you have it.
Can I ask you a question?
Heater. Now hold on. I'm gonna plug it in. Okay.
Okay. We're all waiting very patiently here.
Plug it in.
All right. This is awesome. This is for all you people living in a garage.
Yeah.
Or a cabin.
It's a grand lifestyle, I tell you.
It sure is.
And so now, remember the heater did not work. Now, the heater works.
Wow, dude. It's just too much. It's too freaking much. Look at you go. You're incredible, honey.
There you go.
Wow, darling.
Darling?
Now, can I ask you a question?
Yes, you may.
I don't know if you know anything about crack houses, but does a person ever get bored? Listen, does a person ever get bored at a crack house?
Hell in the crack house.
Yeah.
Hell no.
Okay.